wife's working out, so I have to listen to her music. If I start singing, I apologize. I sing poorly, but I sing loudly. Probably not today, though. My throat hurts. All right, I'm gonna do that again. Because it was advised to me to not run the gasket in this guy. So I'm gonna pop it out real quick. But see how free this guy spins? When that spur gear is not hooked up, it really binds up when... All right, I'm gonna get this out of the way. Yeah, going to do anything else but take this gasket out. Should be fine. I should just be able to zip zams and do it. I'll probably wipe it off. I don't have any wipey stuff. Oops. Okay. Wow, that looks really dry. Look at that. Maybe we'll put a little more in there. Let me go inside and grab some paper towels. I'll be back. Let me squirt some. Okay. Is it empty? Can you tell? Is it empty? I don't know. Looks like there's something in there. Yeah, let's leave it like this. I normally run 500 in my bashers because that's basically, whoops, step on your bullshit. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit more in here. Because why not? And then we'll let it sit for a while. Get a little bit of that in there. Shake it up. Shake it, bake it. While this is going on, I'm just gonna take these guys. I'm gonna solder some XT90s on there. So, can you save gaskets? Can you save used gaskets? Let's find out. All right. So, there we go. It is seated in there. Got my screws here. 2, 3, 4. Those all look the same. Put a little red snot on them. It's pretty dirty down in there. I doubt this does any good. Is it done? This screwdriver has a really sensitive clutch on it, so I'm not afraid to use it. I also try to stop as soon as it's hitting bottom. So, I do. I think we got some red Loctite down in there, maybe. Then we'll torque it. All right, now we'll go back and torque it again. Man, we're still going there. It actually doesn't feel chunky at all. It's pretty amazing. I thought it would be That front diff definitely was tighter than this. I mean, 100%. This still feels like it has. Yeah, it still operates pretty normally. But the gear mesh is probably tighter now on the internals. And that should be a good thing. I do like to get them tight. This is such a tiny little handle, and I'm not afraid to snug them down with this. It's slipping in my hand a little bit, but it's getting snug. All right. Put that in there. I don't really want to pick up my soldering stuff because I want to come out to the garage later tonight and solder up some stuff again. I think I need these. So let's just move this to the side. And just deal with the mess. Down and dirty. Sometimes it's just gotta be down and dirty. Don't lose that. Let's see if we can fit. There we go. Over here. I still need to finish putting the bumper on. All right, look out. Oops, I got you. So hopefully, that's the front. So I still have I stuck some fuel tubing down in here. Put this guy together. I can get these screws out of the way. Get them out of the way before I lose them. All right, so did you see that? It was amazing. I do want to check my bearings, make sure they're good. They seem good. And put that in there. Spins pretty good like that. If I remember correctly, the bearing goes to, or the shim goes to the front. And I need one of these. And I think I said, this might be a pain in the ass. A pain in the ass. What? So, see if we can do this. I have no idea why I have this right here. And I'll go there. I can't see. It's dark down in there. Oh, poop. I still got the fuel tubing in there. And there we go. I can pick this up and get her in there, right? All right. Should we put a little bit more grease on there? Huh, since we're here? Everything looks like it's down in there good. I think that shim's where it needs to be. We'll just take this red and tacky here and an old zip tie. Some baling twine and a bottle of whiskey. There we go. I do need to fill my thing back up. I do like having my little syringe thing there. Okay, that looks like a big blob. This grease does stink, but it does tend to get everywhere. That's what I like about it. And I've had this thing for a long, long time. A long, long time. So, hold that there. There we go. Good enough. That'll get somewhere. That got in there. Okay. Believe this is symmetrical. I'll pop that down. Give her a spin. And then pop these guys down. Oh, I want to check my dog bones. Too carried away. I like it. I like it. And then I think I'm going to be ready to... Oh, I should finish that. I should button the bumper up. Maybe that's done. I don't think you can see that. Orange handle. It's got to be where I don't want it to be. Right there. A little snug in there. Should have a couple more of those. Hopefully I do. I lose everything. Guessing the rubber tire. Yep. I really like these wheels and tires. I hope they work out good. I mean, I'm pretty much just going to be driving this around the house, up and down the stairs. Just kidding. There you go, that popped down there. I want this to spin nicely, but I know it's not going to because maybe we'll this time. Maybe I got something in there better. This thing's so loud when I watch videos of this thing. It's loud. It is. It is. It is. It is. I mean, these, wow. That seems much better. Let's see if it continues. Seems much better. There we go. Everything's tight. So I do believe, I wonder if something was rubbing. All right, everything's tight enough. Let's see how the spur gear feels. Oh, that's much better than it was before. Man, that thing was really tight before. I could never figure out why. All right, so let's make some more parts disappear here. Wipe off my greasy hands before I touch the camera. Got the old diff filling a lot smoother. It was a lot chunkier before, so that will help a lot. Anyway, I'm done. Like I said, I'm going to button up some stuff, and then I'm going to start putting in electronics. I've got batteries for this now, and that's what we needed, but I kind of feel like... What the hell is this for? See, I want to clean this stuff up. I don't want this stuff on here. Somebody wants lights, then they can... I don't know. Anyway, have a good one. Let's see here. All right, so I'm going to try to do a little cleanup, organization, maybe some maybe some soldering. I gotta kind of plan ahead, and I think that I'm gonna switch over to XT90s on most of my packs, or all of my packs. I think XT90s on the TRX4 will be fine. So there's our screws for, and here's some parts for the BE6S. I'm not gonna totally organize these, but
what we got. I believe this one's just a Harbor Freight party tray. This one's a standard one. They work. Nothing's ever perfect. You know, someday I'll go through and just put everything in by size. But that someday is a long ways away. It's not a priority. Oh, did they keep us little snapping pliers? Not that bad. I should just open that. I don't even need it. But at least I know where it's at. Yowzer. Do my best to dig out the nuts. Some washers, I don't know. Doesn't have to be perfect. Some bigger ones. I try to just separate by size for the most part. Not exact size, but about size. I wonder where that goes. Servo screws. Can't decide if I'm going to take the servo out of this or not. I believe it's waterproof, so it may be a good upgrade in my TRX4. I don't know. Who's here? Button head and cap screws. And it's nice to have your button heads and your cap screws and your flat heads separate. You know what you're looking for. Whenever you need a servo screw, you cannot find one. That is the truth. These are some little tiny guys. Alright, where that guy's tiny. I think we're getting there. Where did I put the flatheads? I don't know, flathead spot. Flatheads are over here.
so that's some RedCat parts, and it fits nicely right there.